Camera rolling.
Camera rolling.
Channel Podcast episode 37.
Ningishiftelele bazoze bangaccuse. Sasikhona. Guys. What's up YouTube? We are back with another one. Another killer. New week.
Zaza.
New episode. New Zaza. Yeah, Mafethu, I'm chilling no Siva, our ghost.
Who is
finally,
Siva?
finally,
The
Siam
face,
producer.
the face behind the voice. The face behind the voice.
Guys, it's Siva, aka The Voice. Nice to meet you all.
Boo, 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 boo.
Need to clock it.
Okay.
Wait, okay, is it like this or like this actually?
Like this.
Oh, okay, not.
No.
Oh, okay.
Does that have like a different meaning? This and this. Yes, it. But on my left here, I have Uslanda or
Underscore Kenzie Kinsani.
all right, underscore Kinsey. What's go Slender? Mara, yeah, we back, guys. It's been a minute. I wasn't around. Stuff is not around, unfortunately, again, due to unforeseen circumstances. But say I push a lengola mus. Organjan ladies.
We are here.
Saibusha.
Guilty.
Okay, tell and explain what happened last week.
We got played. Uswe.
Wathi ukhulume no staff sizoshoota on Sunday because
Of which we did have a Sunday episode, but he played us.
they didn't communicate.
Yeah, Uswe came to us on some. I spoke to staff. Staff said we can shoot on Sunday, and he went to staff. But I spoke to the crew. The crew said we can shoot on Sunday. That's what Sway did.
Mara, yazin, like niyangmangaza niyazi ukuthi lento le like is organize kangaka, guys.
But I get it. That's why we ended up calling you guys to just.
Senhambile.
Besase
the time we called the
overdose.
staff, we hadn't left.
Besase
Miracle was-
overdose. No,
He
we
was-
all left together
But he was already done
with packing the sound and whatever. Yes.
But we called before leaving. We didn't leave and then call you guys.
Nyanizwa like yeah but ukhulumele phezulu. Oh yeah, like ukhulumele phezulu nyana. But nyanizwa inking with like I was concerned because like guys like so organize kakhulu for ukuthi you guys should just like ngeke kanjalo nje. But then siyamuva. We
Tina,
move.
if we think you guys are on the same page as whatever's happening, because we thought, okay, sharp. If staff knows, pretty knows, then we good.
Okay, I think it's not really. We like it, Mike. Usiva bekakhuluma ngalaita nge-mic. Ufuna ukuzi-reintroduce
now?
Ufuna ukuzi-reintroduce again.
Allow me to reintroduce
Again.
myself. I am the queen. Now, guys, it's Siva, aka The Voice. Yeah, I'm that guy.
The face behind
guy.
the voice.
The face behind the
Yes.
voice.
Yes.
It's me, y'all. Nice to meet you all. I'm sure you guys are honored to have finally met me. I'm that guy. You guys can't even breathe right now. You're so
Yeah.
excited.
If-
I'm here.
Yeah.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Siyaphefumula, guys. Siyaphefumula. Mina yangimangaza lokuthi can't even breathe. Yaphefumula kahle futhi.
Ngoba uyamazi phela bamazi
Alright, it's quite nice to be with you guys finally. Bolokhu ngineka wena ufuna episode again. Yeah. And by the way, please show the thingy, the cam.
The
Abantu
merch,
bethu ababukele.
the merch.
Yes, man.
guys, merchandise, 150. Holla me up.
Mara, yeah, guys, for today's episode, I want us to talk about a variety of things, ne? Firstly, siqale before so shashalaza ngendaba zabantu futhi ngiyazithanda. Mara Mara, yeah, like what do you guys think about ubushimani?
What is that?
Ubushimani.
Being single.
Ubushimani. Fearing
Girls.
girls in a way, like
Personally, I feel like abafana abayishimani are sweethearts. Because uyasaba khuluma nami cabanga kena masengla. Uzovuma yonke into masengisho ngizokutshela ukuthi pretty. Yenza kanje uvume ngoba uyangisaba mas.
wait. So ungitshela ukuthi how to make some take advantage.
I don't take advantage, but I feel like you being genuine because you're scared and awufuni ukufaka up whatever it is that we have. So, cause you have the thing you go to ish kwababa. mengizothi you're going to have that thing ukuthi angifuni ukumasha lento enginayo yabona nokhensani ithi let me pull up my socks.
Okay.
That's what I think.
You think ukuthi umuntu manje kwababa like akana options?
He does have options, but he values me more because I was able to allow him into my life.
Okay.
Alibele asaba. Cabanga pretty wasafika.
Okay, now I think
Like why can't you wait. Uthi cabanga pretty in terms of what? Like how? What's the context?
No sanyasho, pretty, like pretty
pretty.
like
Pretty what baby.
whatever. And
Yeah.
imagine now pretty uyafika ukhensani ambhayizise so sazen sharp angicinengi I can get whoever it is that I want.
Nonchalant baby. Mara angishelani nini. Yesaba.
Ungashelani futhi.
Negwaba.
now I think umuntu onegwababa ne they are sweethearts, yes.
Yes.
But once you get to know them, baya papa ne.
Mhm.
I think umuntu onegwababa, I think it's like they're a good option because they hardly cheat.
Yes,
'Cause if
they
I've
hardly
got you. Like, how am I gonna share out the next girl? Because also panic and a lot.
Exactly.
Have you-
They do, but
Okay.
hardly.
Have you guys ever like been in like a situation whereby uchole nomuntu onegwababa and you were the first one to make the first move?
No.
Have I? I don't.
Have you?
Probably have and can't kumbule, but I probably have. I'm trying to think of something right now, but I probably have. We have a ghost.
You have a question? You have a question?
Oh shit!
Oh shit, you made the first move. Ah, Guma. We the correct
I remember the story.
Oh, okay. Do you mind telling us? Because we don't know the story.
Okay, I'm gonna tell it. Is that allowed?
Is it allowed?
Tell us.
Are you guys okay with that?
So
Is
she
it
there.
allowed?
Tell us what
We're
happened.
speaking about the story.
Abang aska
Can I go?
kulukam. So should we name drop? Yes, we should.
Okay,
Sunday?
I should tell a story, but no name dropping. Cool. So the story is that she met this guy wherever they were for the first time. She heard a lovely voice. It's like, that sounds like my future husband. Where is he?
Ow.
Sharp. Oh. Spoke to the guy, whatever,
Future
but nothing
husband.
hectic. And then they met again for the second time. And then she's like, yo, I like you. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, she didn't say it, ne? But like she was, but the guy wouldn't get the hint. And then, what I'm carpet
And then-
toilet.
And then what happened?
Listen, I know what I'm
Oh,
carpet.
yeah, who's to happen? Explain. I would.
Ngifuna ukusho ngatshala sengitshelwa 3 weeks after ukuthi ne.
Wait, before ngene the context ngoba wena
So hurt.
uyasifaka.
They met
So hurt.
elsewhere.
Ke sana.
When they were meeting elsewhere, guys still not getting the hint. And then the guy was like, yo, kupang kape toilet, what. And then when they went, she got in, did her business. Like a puma. She's like, nigga, why you slow? Grabbed that guy and then she kissed him and the rest is history.
Yeah, ne.
The rest is history.
Like how do you even yazini.
You know, that's gutsy.
Okay.
So ugayune kwababa. Chami, is it true that abantu abanekwababa ba loyal?
She'll need a mic, but to some point.
Okay.
But okay, let's say if the situation was you, ne, and the guy mom grab kiss and stuff like that. Later on, you find out that the guy is in a relationship.
I'm killing myself. What do you mean?
Because I think that happens. Because
that would be the wildest thing ever. It does happen because you're approaching this person and you don't know what's going on with their life. That would be like the scariest thing ever.
okay, wena uthi ungene kanjani endabeni?
Mina ngene sengena sebathi chomi ngihlangana no. And I'm like chomi ngikuphi mina athi no. It just happened. Yeah, it just happened ukuthi. And I'm like, girl, what do you mean? By the way, please manshata. Ngicala ama flowers wam because umsebenzi wam.
Mawucabanga ubani uzoshada kuqala like a queen.
Yibo.
Yeah, same.
Oh.
Ayi, why?
Other than that other guy. Or the other guy. The other
That
guy.
using the shirts. Our couple
other
from
guy.
Shaka Snip. Mara, okay. Moving on. Ne? What do you guys think about like disloyal friends? Have you ever been in a situation whereby
I think so.
uti like Chomi, I like this guy, and then Ichomi does the first move, and then
What the hell?
they actually click ekugcineni. how do you go about with that situation?
I've never been in that situation.
I've never been in a situation where the friend did the first move, ne? But
Okay.
I've been in a situation where a friend of mine dated my ex.
Dated your ex?
Yeah, I don't have a problem.
Show me, no, it's not a problem. Yeah, ex.
It's not a problem. Do you want to get the mic?
Yeah, please. Mara, please be careful when you tell lap because we're having ngaginyana nje lapha.
Ngabuz.
You don't want your questions, my brother.
So,
Can you speak English? Unless you're going to ask them in English. Time we can knock. Yeah.
tell us the situation, dog.
Asante, by the way.
Yeah, Asante.
Down in the chats.
So my situation was, this girl was my friend now. So I was talking to this guy now. Fine, we were talking. We had a thing about. Then, Shooty, my friend, steals his number from my phone.
That's wild, actually.
Yes. Steals his number from my phone. They begin talking. Yada, yada, yada. So there's a day when I'm on her phone and I think I was trying to send something to myself or something. So I went to her WhatsApp. I see the guy's name. I'm like, interesting. I go in the chat. And it's the girl saying, no, can we please do this under wraps so that she doesn't know.
Aibo,
Now I want you. Then she doesn't know. Like she was begging the guy literally. No, please, I want you. Please give me a chance. Then I asked her, she's like, no, it's not like you love him. It's not like you guys were dating, Moose. Like, why do you care?
You?
So Banyana.
Yeah, but either way, it's the guy's fault. Burn all the men.
Aibo. Wait. Ban all the men. Nina nienza ngathi ni sting next thing.
Burn all the men.
Awukhona ukuthatha into la.
Asindi.
Hey baba, niyastinga nina.
No. Burn all
Oh, should we stay at home?
It's the guy's fault.
Wait.
You know why was he cute and everything?
Aibo.
It's his fault.
Joe, like, okay, what do you guys think about like taking responsibility? As amantombazana, I think amantombazana, like, should we pause? Stop. Just press the red button. We're okay, yeah. Like, what do you guys think about taking responsibility? Because I feel like I want to be fazana, you guys shy away from responsibility, man. Like, you guys shy away from
Depends on
responsibility.
what.
Okay, what?
Depends.
What? Which situation would make you to not take responsibility?
I don't know. Maybe you coming at me and telling me ukuthi Kenzani uyenze 1 2 3 1 2 3 uhambile wena ebusuku ukhulumanga nami.
Aibo. Okay, so when
No, baby, I tried calling you and you didn't answer the call. I'm not gonna take responsibility because dog. Okay, cela ukuthi check ifone yakho, i-check i-miss call. Angikufanelanga yo baby ask sibengidakiwe kusho ukuthi I had it.
ukafela umuntu wakho ne?
Mina. No, I don't.
Not once, not twice.
I am not a
3
cheater.
times.
I'm
Uyafela
not a cheater.
Why nisho kanje sina
No, I'm not. Okay, guys, I'm not a cheater.
What are you?
I have
An explorer.
No.
I feel like nobody would say I'm a cheater. Like, obviously,
Cap.
I'm not a cheater, but I have cheated.
Cap.
But I'm not a cheater.
Wait.
But I have cheated.
How?
No. Now I have no obligation to speak. I've been single for almost the whole year, so I don't remember what
She's
happened in
available.
past relationships.
Yes,
No, she's
Sheila
not
manje.
available. She's my woman. By the way, we dating.
Yeah, no.
Twin black mun.
Yeah.
Hey, twin black. You khotana di.
And she's like over it.
Oh man. Okay. Another thing engibuza ne. What's with this thing yokuthi amantombazana it becomes okay ukuthi bona bangacabuzana babambana indunu nani? Isn't that gay?
No.
Honestly, nah, it's gay, and then we're gonna judge niggas for doing the same thing.
Yeah.
I feel like we are so wrong for that.
Chani kanjani?
Double standard. That's
Kanjani.
wild.
Okay, guys, I have Chomi Askis. I have a gay best friend. By the way, I'm sorry that I'm going to say this, but if you're watching, I apologize. Mara, you are kissing me. Nangumpip against my baby.
You guys kissed.
Chani. No, sengiyasho ukuthi
Mpipi kalipopo boy. Okay, no.
sizoyala. Ngifuna ukuthi sifike lapha. Umpipi owami. Umpipi
Nompipi.
wakho.
Okay.
We are kissing. I am feeling your baby.
Oh, so like in terms of amachi.
Hey.
Yeah, Tina Velo.
Oh, how? Wow.
But
That's what they want. They
What
get
are
it.
you feeling? What are you feeling?
Exactly, they
It's
get
good.
Okay.
like,
No.
shouldn't we judge you as well? Like, we should,
That's what I'm saying.
guys, no, man.
The double standards are wild because Tina, if we see niggas kissing in the corner while drunk, tweet that right now.
Masi-
But if
Masi-
you're gonna see girls kissing, oh my gosh, that's so hot.
It's
I don't wanna
hard.
lie, it
Because
is.
we're not feeling each other's
It
things.
is, like, it is. I can't say it is, guys. Like, I don't know, like, there's some kink, bruh. Like, there's some kink when a man making out. Mara, like, not to that extent. Like,
You need to have a
Okay, and
limit.
how does it feel when you see other dudes making out?
No.
king silo seo.
That's why it's a double standard. I guess the song is now.
Mara, hey, man, I'm not one to judge. Hey, to each his own. LGBTQ. Pambil.
The Rainbow
I
Nation.
judge you.
Mara, yeah, moving on, guys. Name.
I
I sent you guys this prep last week, but I think in Tachega, I saw this thing, ne? But is it true? True love comes after sex.
No,
No.
it's not true.
Okay, no, yes.
It's not true.
No. Can I,
At least
can I,
you
can
have. It's not true. You have true. Who are we studying with?
Go.
I? True. So, I had a boyfriend. Siqale ngokuthi
Yeah, relate to you.
Ngiyarelate to him. Because we first had sex. Yo. And I was like, I'm not letting him go. And we dated, I think, for like 1 year, 8 months.
Were you in love with him or the dick?
I was in love. Okay, firstly, it was the dick. Firstly,
Cap.
it was the dick. No, Chomi. Nkosana ngizokushaya.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Kokuqala, it was the dick. And then masloko sihlangana, he would do things that I wanted a man for me to do. So I caught feelings.
Like in
Chomi being there for me.
shoulder to cry on.
Show that to cry
Wangathenga ama cry on nje shop ube right mfethu. Ukharalishe ufuna impotha wena.
Show me he would do things. Oh, askis. He would do things for me. Ngacela.
Uzombambe.
I went
No man, let's be serious guys. Let's go. Hey, ngiyadlala chibi. Yeah.
Do things for me like unprovoked. Bengamcelanga.
Yeah.
Ulambile. Yangilambile okay ngaphandle phuma samthethweni ngule.
Would you date a broke guy?
Yes.
Hold that thought. Cap. Ngicela sibe careful ne lana guys. That's number ngafuni beke thingwe ngibambe ne. But yeah, coming to your point. Oh, Ibo Mike.
The reason why I'm saying it's not true now.
Yeah.
Guys, there's so many relationships that thrive before the D-Day.
Okay.
Like people realize, like there's also people who have the 30-day rule. Yeah, understand the 30-day rule? 90-day actually, it's not 30, 90-day rule.
90-day.
Yeah, 90-day rule.
Cabanga 3 months
You guys get to know each other.
Ngashona yo.
When I fall in love, definitely. There's no way you guys won't fall in love. Yeah.
3 months without umtava.
Arranged marriage.
Guys,
30-day rule.
my man, my man.
It happens.
Wait.
You can fall in love before.
So I give up a chop.
I chop
Yeah, go sing it. Oh, what's that show? Yeah, Married
Sing
at
it.
First Sight.
Chomi and then
That show is crazy.
The show is crazy. Married
That
at
show
First
is
Sight.
crazy.
Can you guys watch it?
Like I saw a
What
bit of
time
it
is it?
snippets.
What time is it? I don't want it to miss me. What time is it? I need to be home by 6. The show is crazy.
Sorry, good this step and are we cool with the lighting and everything? It's not dark again. Everything is now. Okay, let's continue.
No.
Skis. Yeah,
Can
that
you
show
watch
is
the
actually.
show?
I saw I'm a snippets. Like, Mara, the thing is when time goes by, ne, like they tend to like notice good. Okay, maybe the person is not for them.
True, because as time goes by, people become themselves. Because you're not gonna be fake for 2 months.
So you think Guguti Mabakala like it's being fake?
Not fake, but obviously you're trying to,
But
give an
reserved.
impression. I want you to like me. And obvious, I wanna be that guy and everything. But after some time goes, we're like, oh, I can't put on this facade anymore, and then you become yourself.
But then okay, nyakuzwa ne. Coming to the point ukuthi wena love doesn't come after sex. So wena you ufuna ukuthi umuntu aqala yenze 30 days azilambise
90
a break out.
days.
90 days was part.
Okay,
Hayi,
Chomi.
rest.
Bese after 90
Hey.
days
Yeah, yeah,
uyakudla
yeah.
bese sakayaphuma ku. Kanjalo
If
nje.
So you-
but I'm
So
but the
catchile
statement was,
wena.
does true love happen before?
What happens ke when mawungathi uyacheater or uyenze a mistake during that 90 days?
Does he have to know?
And he
Just like
won't.
Naye,
Oh my
if he does
days.
something to I have to
Chomi,
know.
when men cheat,
Oh my days.
But
But-
Wait, how?
Please,
How?
Chomi, you become guilty.
Girl,
Guilty?
men hide it. Women hide it
Mina
better.
ngazi, I'm not a
You
cheater.
become
Kenzani,
guilty.
women hide it better.
Baby, ngicela phone yakho manje.
The girl is hide
Ayo,
it better.
super wena.
Yeah, ngiyasho. Angisho sengiyasho ukuthi kulani sijampisela khona ukuthi ngicela phone yakho. Bese next thing, hi baby, okay, whoa.
No.
I-battery lami li-flat. Speaking from experience. I-battery lami li-flat. Esh baby. Esh
Reasons.
kancane.
So you agree women hide it better?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mina ngijila noma man.
Oh my gosh, Kenzani.
Proud.
No, because bekangihetha mos. Cause mina ngikhe ngambona I have
Manyana o cheater isebe.
No, you provoked
Muchita
me.
o cheater ki legend.
You
Asiva ke lapho.
provoked me into cheating on you because I saw
Mara
my
like
man
it's like
having
that.
sex.
Gents angithi niyazi. It's like that.
Abazi, they don't know anything.
I saw my man having sex.
They don't know anything. They don't know anything.
I saw my man having
Okay,
sex.
Mara like what
And I was
what pushed you to cheat on your man?
Cause ngimbona heavy sex.
You saw him.
Live.
Wangajoinanga.
Live.
Wangamlahlanga.
Wangajoinanga.
Chomi mengimthanda.
Wangajoinanga.
Hey nani yawathanda
Bengithanda.
manje.
Uya avoid question yami. Wangajoinanga.
Bekangcolile mama wakhona bekanenduna enkulu.
Uxolile unenduna enkulu.
No, she was dead.
Mapakisho mus.
Literally she was dead.
Kanjani like kanjani? Ubona induna uphela athi ngcolile le nduna.
No, bekangcolile.
Kanjani?
Bekangcolile gift like
you know her?
her? No. I don't know her.
Okay, but I
They
genuine
even
question,
locked me
Wangamlahlanga.
in the house.
Wangamlahlanga.
Bekamudla kahle.
Eh?
Huh?
Angazi.
Bekamudla adla wena.
Ngabona i-lubricant
Yo, chomi la ngeloop.
Yeah.
Iyakenzela wena ngeloop.
No, because
Uthi wena ngevaseline na afuthi vaseline ngone ngamathe.
because I'm a yeah, beta.
Limpopo boy.
I'm joking.
I'm a if I like you,
Hey,
it comes
viewers
naturally.
description not for under 18s.
If I like you,
bloody
and nebazosho
one.
ukuthi njalo Kenzani mekalana guys ihlezi khuluma ngesex ngicela sikhulume ngenye into mara as I was saying
Oh, achubeka.
if bekan
Jo like ngikhiphela amalimi la. Yes, sisitshele sifuna ukwazi ukuthi what happened.
if I like you, then I am with.
Yawethi.
Yeah.
It comes natural.
It comes natural. You don't need to use the lube or whatever. So yeah, nana lube orange lapha ye Drex. Khona nama Max we grape.
Wow.
Bamamela no Shebe shit. I don't listen to Shebe shit.
Which means
Mamela
ngizwise into ongayicabanganga. Uyazi BPM, ispeed sengoma selikompa ukuthi singakanani? Ayisho bekamvisha. Canga makamba ngebeat. Like fast ngakhona ingoma.
Oh.
Like beats per minute. Like ipace yengoma ngithi uyazi ukuthi likompa liquick.
Yeah.
Ayisho bekamudla.
Chomi
Shita wena. Faka wena. Makathi faka wena. Uyajulu.
mama na mune. Mana mune.
Ngisho ukuthi bonga lapho.
Ukubuza yona genuine.
Ngisho ukuthi ayifuni nokulifuna likompa.
Chomi because I loved him. I think I don't know.
Nabe kakuvisha ngelikompa vele? Or wena bekakudlalela bonacho?
Chomi mina bengumakoti laphayana. Yazi bengumakoti. We would watch movies, we would
When
buy
was this?
food. It was 2024.
Have you ever found out before
20.
what happened?
I found out now, and then I stayed for my 2 months on. 2 months later, I'm like, what the hell? And then out of nowhere, I was like, nah, I'm done.
How did you find out? Ngasitshela face.
Okay, how did I find out? Obvious. How did I find out? You saw videos. Okay, wait, how
Oh,
did I
damn.
find out? No.
Bekapayile umuntu wakhona?
Mina shamleyo.
Ah, vele nonke ngihlezi ngithi bekesina.
Yeah, I found out on your phone. So I was supposed to request for myself. So I can't request that again in message. Nothing hectic in message, but like the number saved in your heart.
So ukuye,
Ganjan.
like you had his place.
No, it was somewhere else.
Ah.
No, it was not his place. So I'm trying to request for myself.
Yeah, we can continue. You can continue.
Yeah, well, so I'm trying to request. We were not at his house or anything, so I'm trying to request back home. So getting a message, nothing hectic. It was just a random message. So but the number saved in your heart. I'm like, okay, this is weird. Go into the chat. It's everything. The nice things. I want to see your PJs. Oh my gosh, I like you so much. You know, all the nice.
So
things.
they were not even fucking.
Yeah,
they were
actually dating. They were actually dating. Right, sharp, lovely. I'm confronted. Nah, you're the one I love. Please forgive me. You're my everything. All of that, you know. Like sharp, okay, sharp, whatever. It's fine. I'll forgive you. You're my love. You're my baby. Block.
How? Wait, to tell them forgive and then unblock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sharp, and it's bad. But 2 days later, I want to know the girl is blocked. I know it's. I'm happy now. Everything is fine. But man, and check. Like every time I get a chance, I'll go through the phone. The number is still blocked. But then 2 months down the line, I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. I was like, it's China.
So Azang find out anything else afterwards?
I didn't.
Okay, what is your guys' thought about Istim?
I don't mind this team.
You don't?
No, I don't. And I'm not charge.
You go, girl.
Mina mangisho ukuthi isithembu angisimele.
Why?
Iba nesithembu.
Okay, what's your reason for that?
I need my time to myself. Njalo wena uzongifuna sex every day.
Wait, Kanti, anithandi sex?
Give this siyathatha. Imnandi. But when every day.
Ibatla ukosomela.
Ibatla uba mo. Ngithi ngiyapheka nangu soya.
Okay, so you don't mind. Okay, so when you were talking about ungifebele ngamiyeka. So you don't you don't mind him going to fuck another.
Tell me about it. Introduce me to the girl. Go to okay, baby. Nangu. Kwenzakala 1 2 3 1 2 3. Sharp.
Isithembu somjolo kanye isithembu senyana.
Senyana chum. Not some jolo.
So you only accept isithembu.
Okay, so when I'm married, so when I'm married,
and I can tell Uguti and I can tell Uguti like it's a real thing.
Okay.
It's a advantage game because then
ubambe la ungabambi intamba ikabi because izo disturb ubambe nje la phezulu ungabambi intamba yeah.
As I was saying, Guti, if I can tell Uguti it's genuine, then it's a win for me. Because as long as you're going to have time for me, mhlawumbe in a week there's 7 days, have 3 days to me, 3 days to her, 1 day to you.
Oh wow.
And money mali. Sharp. Yeah.
Okay, Mara, okay.
Money mali uso khona mangithi baby ngifuna ibo.
Wait, let me interject. Let me get in. Okay, like kulesithembu sakho ne kule 3 days to yourself, are you going out exploring?
No, I'm at home.
What?
I'm at home.
So I'll cheat when I kulesithembu.
No.
You still loyal to that one nigga?
I'm still loyal to that nigga. Yes.
What's your reflection?
I'm thanks. I don't even want to hear. I'm thanks. Isithembu. It's like what you said is like if I get time to myself, that's a point. But no, thank you.
Okay, umuntu lona
What you think about isithembu? Your girlfriend wants to be with someone else.
Yo. Hayi ngaba ngikhala inkaka phela ngaba ngikhalela kubi yo ngikhala inkaka ngakhuluma nesixhosa ngingasazi yes no but like
okay
I feel like with gents it's different because with us it's a territorial thing, you understand. I don't want my property to be touched by anyone else, you understand.
And I do.
No, but like ungakhohlwa ukuthi I'm the initiator.
What's your point?
USB we PC.
You know as when things are about changes you know how people like to sing, oh my gosh, she let her man go, she let herself go, men are visual tontons, men are visual beings. What are we? Are women not visual beings? Now am I gonna like seeing you with them?
Nah, but like think about it, you know, when I see like in Fetu, okay, you getting fucked by another nigga, your pussy gets solid, now I'm fucking you, we have Camela and stuff like that. Like
you're doing the same thing with another hand.
Wait, ngicela sibe la ayikabi guys ne. Okay, ayikabi. Ngicela ukuthi ngicela ngachekani la up until we finish issue. Ayikabi mahlathi.
No, I'm joking.
No, I'm just saying.
No, I'm joking.
Just saying. Let's go back.
Yeah.
Mara, yeah.
What you do is the same thing I would do.
Uyakhamela nami ngiyochama. Veli kopo 9 months later ngizwazi kanjani ukuthi umntana kabani. Sekumele sekuma DNA. Far! Because like it doesn't make sense.
No.
Mara, if me nang Thembini,
The thing is, men
Like-
like to act special. Yeah, get pregnancy. But men like to act special. If you can do the same thing to me, why can't I do it
I'm
to
not
you?
acting special.
You're acting very
Kokuqala masukwisembu ne, I need to provide. I make sure ukuthi unendlu yakho unendlu yakhe. You have your own shit, she has her own shit.
Okay.
I don't believe kule sithembiso ukuthi fanele nihlale endaweni eyi-one because there's going to be a clash every time.
Okay.
Unless I mind ukuthi sibe ne-threesome.
Unless
Mina, I'm
uyabadlisa.
talking about this temple. Sako, wena. What you call you?
Yeah, I'm coming there.
What's your name? You.
Unless-
Sako, pretty. I'm talking about Istanbul
She
Sako.
doesn't know me.
Like if your hand wants to
I'm
steal-
pretty boy, the sinners, the pin up, the pin up, the sin up. Shut up, Roman.
Like if your
Man.
girl would have Istanbul.
Nah, bruh,
But
it
it's
won't work.
different with the
Uzowenzani
girl.
uzosiprovidela so-i-two?
Yeah.
Nah, bruh.
Don't
No.
provide it, Lana.
No.
Don't be the tree. Yeah.
Kokuqala
Don't
like
be the tree.
as a guy, ne. Hey Joe, angifuni umuntu athathe property yami. I'm territorial like
As a
that.
girl, what makes you think mna ndiyafuna umuntu athathe property yami?
Mamela, ngi-initiator. I'm like, ish,
Okay,
ngizathini?
let's take their relationship for example.
Okay.
She initiated. So does it change anything?
Nah, but umchita at the same time he still plays the role of umchita.
What is the role of umchit?
How?
That's why I said ban all the men. But anyway,
Abashishwe.
Mara then, as in, no, ngathi angeke ngiphele le. Moving on, now we shashalizing, ne? Hey guys, let's bring it local qala. Yeah, let's bring it local qala, ne? Do you guys know Fuego Shakes, Lowe Western 7?
Yeah.
Joe, okay, you don't know him, but you know him. Him again.
Him, yes, I do.
Yeah. Bamtshontshele into post. Yeah.
do you know I thought that was a Ramonde?
Gabonkosi, ne? Yeah, everyone says that, but like nah, yakashake.
shame.
Oh man, bamtshontshe like bekayipakile, and then I think Amachita came during the night, and then they took
So
it.
they took it at his house.
Yeah, in his house, imagine ipakile.
Watching him.
Exactly.
Probably ngabantu abamazi.
Exactly.
Ngabantu
Was it
abamazi.
outside the
abantu
house or
nje.
inside the house?
Inside the yard.
So they opened the garage
But
and
pule
took
ilok. Like kune garage ne, he has 2 cars, Flex.
garage,
But like
yes.
the Polo was on the other side, so it was like outside Nyana. But space corner is so narrow, like it's so small. I understand. Mara yenu yazi uthi imenu vanja uthi ngene lapha ya. So apparently ba phulele anto leyana and then by pusha imoto yakhe. I don't know what happened. Maybe by pushile or by two, I'm not sure. But by keepile in the yard and then it track I think during the night I'm phoning what's happening with your car, because now it's showing Gucci there's some disruptions we in terms of your track. And then also find out Gucci is pinpoint to Gucci say so it's a PMV.
Nayifika laphayana,
Ekseni mabaya
So it's also already.
Joe mabafika ekseni baba itracker sekuyakhanya kuseli frame kuphela ne windscreen.
Yo.
Literally.
crazy. I saw mina ngicabanga ukuthi kanti.
Nah, I thought
Bro, it's so sad, bruh.
Yo,
Like
that's actually
Joe, like Joe, like it's so sad because
Is he
now,
okay? I doubt he's okay though.
Would you be okay?
I wouldn't be okay.
because now, like like Joe, imagine ubuhlungu kanjani kulahlekelwa iphone.
Imoto.
Moto ke.
Okay, maqeda uyayithola the way.
Yo mara, yazi into
Iratha, like iratha.
yazi into engicabanga ngihlikisayo. Like what was his first reaction makaphuma? Ma whole time
Yeah, I'm sure he's looking for his car. Sempokothweni. Mama ngichekela imoto la imoto phina yikho yo.
Yo, because right there ungayifuna naphansi kwestrata.
Yo,
That's crazy, bro.
guys, it is. Yo, it's so sad.
Maramachita, like if you guys are watching this podcast, telling us mosheli kaslate, like we haven't had cases like this in a while. So siyacela guys, not like this, guys. Like Untwana has put his mark. Untwana like has put us on the map in terms of Iponong, guys. He's pushing the stance culture. You can't do him like this, guys. I'm not saying do anyone else. Mara, like please, guys, kangelan le, please,
And imali yemoto ikhona, but now we can't buy cars because of such things.
bro.
No, because Chemi, you never know when you're a victim.
Yo.
True.
You never know.
You see, so I can't buy a car. And I was planning on buying one, but my next week flip.
Chemi,
I can't
manje
buy a car.
asakhona
Boma nini?
ukuhamba manje because and ushilo yazi ukuthi vele ufuna
Uyathenga
ukuyithenga.
ipolo now? But you guys
benifuna ukuthenga i-Discovery, but it's fine. Maybe
Discovery.
Nah, maybe ngizothenga i-Yaris.
I-Discovery le China. Why is Collier getting strays, man? Like catching strays. But I was like, okay, sharp. Like, yo, said, Mariah's in moving on. I had a Shakes boy. You'll bounce back. I know, stronger, my
will.
brother. But moving on, I think 2 weeks back, or last week, Lamise, I saw Lamise Holworthy, but she was rushed to the hospital because, yeah, apparently she had like a leaking BBL.
She has a BBL.
Allegedly. Allegedly.
Is this true?
Allegedly.
No
I
way.
just saw a story.
I have, like, she has a BBL? Why would she do that?
She doesn't look like.
She doesn't. She's got a very nice body, and her BBL worked out.
Yeah.
BBL. Did you guys hear what you saw talking about BBL?
Yeah, Lamise Holworthy.
It is her.
Yeah.
She actually.
BBL
Wait, whoa, I missed that part. So I took for BBL. Ikhona vele. Hey wana.
Can you talk about BBL?
Akusila fonela u065 ukuze uthole iBBL. Oh, like serious guys.
On a manga phone. Pressa U1. Ukuthi uzothola iBBL.
Like
it's allegedly. You can go and do your research, guys. Whatever we say here, we say in terms of entertainment, but it's alleged. You guys can go and further your information, your investigation.
BBL means.
But yeah, on the data, please just check. Yeah, it was shocking.
And then there's that lady, Ozenzayena. Have you guys seen that lady?
Yeah, I saw that as well. Yeah, it was crazy.
Something, if I'm not mistaken.
And then but they call them doppelgangers or something like that.
Yeah.
Yes, doppelganger.
Have you ever met your doppelgangers?
No, I have a familiar face. My brothers tell me that they saw someone who looks
Fana
like
nos Collier
all the
wena.
time. Fana naye.
Fana nila.
Babegen.
Jimmy?
No. Madam, now they always tell me, but we saw someone who looks like you. Now I have a familiar face. There's always people who look like me. Find my what's the word? Doppelganger.
Doppelganger, yeah.
Find my doppelganger. This is my face. Find my doppelganger. Take them underneath.
But then, okay, moving on. Okay. Have you guys noticed Duty recently? Girls are noticing Duty. I don't know. Please don't catch strays. This is something I saw.
I'm about to catch a stray.
You found the story. Like we have a problem there. Yeah. Please don't bamba. Like here. Yeah. Sure.
It says award-winning DJ and radio personality Lamise Holworthy is back home after her management last week said she was rushed to hospital for an emergency surgical procedure. So they don't specify what it is, but surgical procedure.
BBL.
Yeah.
It could have been, but we never know.
Yeah, they don't say. They just said surgical procedure.
Yeah, but
They're married
sorry.
with children.
Oh my God, it's my baby. Call it, man. I called it. But I said, man, like, yo, it's so fucked up, Gucci. Women go through a lot for Gucci by impressing my cheat.
Can I watch that line from J. Cole? Killing yourself to find a man that'll kill for you.
Yo, pass.
No, but honestly, I feel like it's not even about men. It's about wanting to look good for yourself.
70% of the time, let's be honest, it is about the men.
Personally, if being nemali, bengenza i-poop job. Ukuthi amabelo abe ila we porn star leni pulehlala la. I would do that.
For yourself.
For myself.
You are the good 30%.
For myself, yes.
You're not
really porn.
Was
ganjani tamabelo maponsta?
amabele babelungu Tommy ahlala le
wait, so abelungu labo wabona amaponsta?
No, but I'm just saying. Because I googled it and it was called Pornstar look.
Pornstar
boobs. Describe whatever it is that I was describing. Google ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ibele lami lingawi libe
Hey man,
Apparently,
why
it
do you
is.
guys always mpig ukuthi you guys goon? You guys goon, guys. Like
Tommy, I don't. I have enough
like
scenes.
nishaya indlwabu yamantombazana.
I have enough
like niyazenza ngimibhonsi.
I have enough
You guys
scenes.
watch porn? You guys masturbate. Mara niyayipiga. I don't understand.
Mina, guys, I've tried once.
Ah!
Nomcamelo,
So you've-
and I felt guilty.
Kanjani?
Yes, I was humping
Guilty?
on a, yes.
What do you think about people?
Vela ngiyenze lento le mara hayi.
Yeah, nah.
Next week again
Intwana,
same
Tony.
episode. Uyasola
Masturbating.
uyadlula.
BBL.
About
Besikhuluma
Back to
nge-BBL.
BBL. Niyadigressa. Niyadigressa.
You masturbate you.
Niyadigressa.
Don't you watch porn?
What were we talking about?
3, 13, 14.
BBL.
Ukuthi mina, if I
I
had
don't.
money, I would. Ibele lami lihlale lana lime lithi.
So we're saying you're the 30% who would do it
Yeah.
for yourself and not for me.
Not for men.
Okay, if
for
you
myself.
could modify, what are you modifying?
Nang full package yo. I don't know because already like saying is modify ilene like
Modify
I have a gold tooth, I have nose piercing, nama specs
come on.
every week like
New week news.
I understand. I like feeling it, but I think I would get a tat.
You don't
That's
have
it.
I don't have a tattoo.
Ah, now I would get a tummy tuck. I would get my knees done. I would get a nose job.
But why did
Imponsi iyayenzeka yona uyakhona ukuyenza umponsi yeso ajahi yomponsi
show them.
Is it switched off? Is it switched off?
When I only OnlyFans imibhonsi akunama views athola.
but they pretty though
bro,
but they pretty guys aren't they pretty they
But
pretty
it's traumatized dog.
Who's this? Two ways would be so mad right now.
He has a kid for-
He has a king for
nge-30 wena bathi
yo.
cela ukuthi uveze imponsi uyahamba wena nge-30 uyahamba
Shit is funny. Like
When last did you guys see Killer Girl? Tell her what
2021
He passed on
9
with-
yes
The time,
9 August 2021
He passed on
love you so
2021.
much yes love you so much Killer Cow
It's been 5 years.
it's been 5 years Nompura
okay.
5 years.
yes
Okay, guys. I also just to like. Okay, this one is a bit sensitive, ne? So please
Yeah,
be
some
like.
sensitive topic.
Yeah, like I wanna hear every part of like your guys' brain. Like, you understand? Slegile, sibe said, ngan provable loyalty, nan. But now, siya guntenyane said, ne? But a woman killed all 3 of her kids just because the husband decided to remarry another woman. Hayibo. Ngono kambe nezi.
Honestly, abantwana bangenaphi?
But like, what do you guys think about this?
Why yena engazibulalanga after that?
wayengazibulalanga bashiya abantwana
Yeah, and it's
That
actually
shit
fucked up. Yeah. Oh, I
zibulale
out.
wena ungabulali out zibulale wena
Because she couldn't kill the guy because she was thinking of her kids, but now she killed the kids. I don't. Yo,
crazy
And apparently she didn't kill herself. But I
was
think
supposed
she.
Uyaphila.
Yeah.
cabanga
Uzozibulala.
I would never
that she smoked drugs or something.
Nah, but like I think, don't you think Kuti, I'm playing devil's advocate, ne? But don't you think Kuti, such things are caused by depression as well?
depression kanjani
Yeah, such things.
abo mama
Because
bethu
Kuti, depression is overthinking again.
yes it is
Constant thinking,
Abo mama
constant
bethu,
doubt.
na baba saphila abo mama bethu now
Baba kufebel mamako.
I don't know
No, but depression.
But-
If depression is a real thing and everybody
but
handles it differently.
umami usaphila namhlanje 22 years later my mother is still alive
But depression is a real thing and people handle
Irregardless.
it differently. People handle it
why
differently.
kill children Jomi
If
kill
you're
yourself
killing abantwana, she's gonna kill herself. Another person will kill
Yes.
herself. Another person will kill the guy. Another person will
Wait,
kill
so she
Imagine.
escaped death ngabantwana? That's
and
nice. Fucked
abazomborela
up.
she's not going to find peace ever again
Also, but my
Ever.
child is people handle it differently. You can't tell them don't do depression. You say, okay, you know what? Don't kill yourself. It's better that you kill Usman Ban. You don't tell them that. Benza the way they feel. She could have killed herself. She could have.
There's so much more you can get after indoda, Chomi. You get your life after indoda.
It's easy for you to say.
Literally.
It's easy for you to
Not
say.
a good indoda mustn't.
Aish.
Let me do it for myself.
Yes.
It's easy for you to say.
No,
With depression,
Johnny.
it comes like anyway. Like who's born by oh shit? I'm looking at myself now. I have a scar. Depressed your whole life.
To the point that
Yes,
you can
Mara
sleep.
Siva.
Anything like if you. I don't
Okay,
want to say
do
weak.
you think Guti anything that causes self-doubt leads to depression? Because you said it's car.
No.
Now you're like, oh, let's see nyehlisubuhle.
Maybe the big deal would be like but it's scarce.
Please, guys, keep tabs on the cam ne, because ngibone iloki qimi isikhathi
And
side.
then
like maybe it would depend on how the
Nakhona-
scar came about. Sharp, I have the scar. Maybe if it's like I fell on a piece of glass, that's fine. But if you're thinking I had the scar after getting kidnapped, then don't.
and what do people have to say about me after that?
What do you mean?
Ngine scar. I have a scar, by the way. You are ukenzane le scar lesi ingane.
Uyabo, these
How
are
do
other
you
things
portray
that cause
me? Monganandaba ukuthi umuntu uthini. It's so much easier for you to just.
But it's even like more about like what do you think? Because you can walk out and be like, I don't hear what people think. But as soon as you step onto the mirror, you're like, shucks, I have this guy again. It affects you more than you're thinking. Abanye bantu, but
Look at the brighter side. I'm alive.
everybody looks at the brighter side.
I'm alive, and okay, sharp. I do have a scar on my face, but I do have somebody who's going to love me like I am, or not even somebody. Let me learn.
What if ubatla ntwela fela?
No, it's ngizifundise ukusithanda the way ingakhona ukuthi umuntu azokhona ukungithanda.
Okay, do you think in that lady's head, she's thinking, okay, my husband left me,
She's
but I'm alive.
crazy. I'm sorry. I'm
But
sorry
like,
from being
umshiye nabantu
insensitive or
abayi-3.
whatever. As
3 human beings.
But she was.
I've got 3 human beings, but I'm alive. But anyway, the point is, with depression, guys, you can never judge a person on depression. Hopefully, she had a depression. And
She
On the
didn't.
mic.
Hopefully, she's
She
not
wanted
just
to prove a point. Most of the time, when women do crazy things, it's because bafuna ukuprove a point. Gumjita. Ukuthi okay, sharp uyenze into kanje, I can do it bigger than you. I can do it 2 times.
So you
better
think
than
ukuthi
you.
her killing the kids it wasn't
Was to prove a
effect
point.
ukuthi
No,
coping
beka-
mechanism but
beka-
like bekafuna ukuzisa umchita inhliziyo ebuhlungu.
Inhliziyo ebuhlungu ukuthi okay, you
Okay,
know what, I
makes
choose
sense,
another
makes
girl
sense.
over me, and not me over me and our kids, and not we went
shit,
through our
okay.
marriage.
You know what?
Never
I
thought about it like that.
You know what I think? I think it happened as a way of okay, if this person can move on,
Siba,
if this person
don't
can,
forget
oh,
Ntambo ne.
shucks, okay.
Yeah.
If this person can move on, ne, I can move on too. But obviously, abantwana they never belong to their dad. So if this person can move on without
For
the
kids.
kids, I want to move on without my kids. I'll move on.
Abantwana
Me.
grow up, dog. We grow up and we choose the type
We
of
need papa and
lifestyle
yes,
that we want to live. For fuck's sakes, if whatever that happened between my mom and dad happened, ngakhetha ukuthi ngifuna ukuba isigebe, ngifuna ukubamba inkunzi. Sharp. Why ungibulale? Let me make my own choices. Ukuthi okay, I'm going to let this affect me to a certain point. Ngihambe. Okay, sharp. I'm going to ngifuna ukuyofeba because I have daddy issues.
Hallelujah.
Into akanje.
Do you have that issues?
Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Fuck that, I don't care. I'm this person and I'm so glad ukuthi ngilo muntu enguye manje because of whatever it is that happened to me. But I just khulumela ukuthi let the children have their opinions to life. Let me decide ukuthi ngifuna ukuyenzani empilweni. Why take my life?
Yeah, she should have killed her man.
What if no, kill yourself wena?
She shouldn't have killed anyone.
No, angisho sesiyakhuluma ukuthi okay, sharp.
Which one was better?
Usibulale.
Which situation was better?
Okay, but
Is that what you say?
Move on, better yourself, go to the gym, get a job.
Tell yourself.
Yeah, now get a job, love your children, show that man ukuthi I am better.
Kanti
And
ukhuluma kanje
100 like,
Nengqondo musi.
I do because guys,
Okay,
I don't want
genuinely
to
speaking,
say.
I think she must be dealt with sharp. I don't know how they're gonna kill her, but she must be dealt with. But also, what I'm saying is, hopefully, this happened because of mental issues, or not because she wanted to prove a point. And so, because you can never judge a person who's not mentally well.
You can never.
That's what I'm saying.
So
The assumption
kuleyo-
from my end is that she was mentally unwell.
and we are all entitled to having our own opinions, right? Gu opinion yami. I have 3 children. Ngicela ucabangele abantwana bami. If I were to have children namhlanje, for God's sakes, umuntu wami angilahle ekhaya kuyenzani ngenzeni, I would want to better myself for abantwana bami ukuthi nakusasa abantwana bami bazothi
Preach.
umamami, I have a mother, single child. Sababona ku TikTok ukuthi ngama Father's Day. Yeah, I'm grateful for my mother. My dad was not around, but my mother, whatever. I would be so grateful ukuthi my mommy was able to allow me to be a bigger person, to make her proud. Why would you even take my life, for goodness sake? Ungakangiboni ukuthi ngizoyenzani? What if bengizokuthatha ngiyise Mauritius hambe yohlala?
Yeah.
No,
yeah.
Mauritius, askisi,
Ben all
my
women.
bad.
I agree.
My bad.
But genuinely
joking.
speaking, do you think Umdu would kill all 3 of her children, your own kids, just to prove a point?
Usile, yes.
Just to prove a point.
There's no way.
She was either possessed or she's like not
Yeah,
well.
usatan.
Okay,
Let's just say
okay.
usatan.
On a lighter
You can't
note,
say she woke up and decided
let's go for an
She
ad
didn't,
break.
but she wanted to prove a point.
Wait, let's go for an ad break. We're not cancelling. I'm just trying to
Yeah.
promote in that one. By the way, guys, it's Shooter A, White House in Fundo Park, pub and grill. Ne? Shout out to Temba, DJ Stripes, so we also providing in that one. But yeah, on a lighter note, I want us to play a game. Ne?
Are we
yes.
not going on an ad break?
You wanna
Are we- are
the
we-
thing is, I'm afraid
Oh,
Gucci,
then.
like
Yes, we're promoting them now.
it's going to get dark, so we need like wait, we left the 5 minutes. Okay. We can play this game and then we'll come back and then we'll close it afterwards. But then this game, ne,
But
it's a-
don't judge people with depression.
I'm not judging.
We're not judging,
Not judging.
Chomi.
She's just-
We all entitled to our own opinions. I have my own opinion. You have your own opinion. Une opinion
Guys,
yakhe.
nangakho-
Rowdy.
Sorry, we're still shooting ne, please, nangakhohlwa, please. But then
Fair.
askis ne for ukuthi step point yakho, but I get you. A game, ne, this is a would you rather, ne.
Okay.
Would you rather have a pretentious friend or a friend who's always honest no matter the circumstances?
Honest friend.
Honest friend.
Okay. There nizosho kanje. So awufuni umuntu ozoshuka that's my friend.
Ungashugarcoat.
Okay.
I'd love to have
Yeah.
a thing, an honest friend, ne? But at the same time, it's like, if you're gonna be honest, you can't just say, you told me come at me nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
Maneuver
there's a way to
around the
maneuver.
situation.
Exactly, but I want you to be 100% honest all the time.
Okay. Would you rather have your crush reading your DMs or internet history?
Internet history.
Hey.
Internet history.
Internet history.
No.
Internet
Yeah, well,
I don't have.
boobs.
I don't have. I would rather my crush reads my DMs so that I can know angazi.
Usazoba crush mara maqeda ukufunda ama
Yeah,
DMs.
ngisho ngoba
internet
uzofika azongishela ukuthi andoda, because men are opportunists. They can just maqeda sengimtholile maqeda yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Internet history, Papa.
Sorry. Oh, my
Choose
boobs.
you.
Sorry.
Thokoza go.
Togos.
So
But then coolest in the east, by the way, Chilanan. Yeah, but yeah.
Boom, boom.
Would you rather read minds or be able to delete your digital footprint,
I read minds.
What exactly is digital footprint?
like history yako like online?
Oh no, I don't
Read
have
minds.
Read minds.
Yes.
Oh, like wow. Okay. Which situation would make you want to read a mind?
First impressions. Like, what is the first thing a person thinks when they see me for the first time? I would love to know.
What do you think
I've thought
about
of my
me
first impressions
after?
on all of you guys. Okay, not today, but the
What-
other.
what-
Okay.
But I've thought like.
Tell us-
Since
te-
what did she think about me the first time she met
Okay,
me?
what did you think about me when you first saw me?
I thought you were mean as hell. What? I swear.
But she is.
Mean.
Ngiyadlala.
I thought she was so mean.
I thought you were mean, dog.
I thought I was mean.
Siba balwe, ntwana usiba stuff lo ya ntwana usiba mengithi ngikhuluma naye yaw siba
Sala is
bomb.
actually cool, man.
Usefuni, yeah, she
You
is.
guys are both cool, yeah.
She is cool.
What was your first impression of me was that I'm
Yeah,
mean?
yes. Usiba mengithi ngikhuluma no.
Hayi ukuthi nje ukuthi nikhuluma ngoba nibona i-camera ngithi.
No, usiba ukhuluma nabo karabo phela.
But I think Lele, as like when you first meet a girl, you
Yeah.
don't think she's mean. What was your first impression of me?
Bengithi uyined.
Yep.
She does look like a nerd.
You have nerd tendencies.
What?
Like namanga kanjani ngikhuluma ibara bengithi ned like literally because usiba makafika ufike like camera and stuff like that like nakhona usiba makakhuluma she's like those model C kids, understand, like
Yeah.
I don't understand what you're doing, like she's jumping out in the ADHD in a way, you understand. So I was like khambani ngalo, but I was like you're actually cool, man.
She is so much. Oh my god.
Shut up.
She is.
So okay, we're moving on now.
I don't remember my first impression of you because I don't remember seeing you for the first time.
Yeah.
First impression. He's arrogant.
Arrogant.
Yes, you're so arrogant, Chomam.
Now it's yes. Angeke.
I used to.
Angeke santi.
Uyakhumbula ukuthi besihlezi silwa mina nawe ukuthi gift.
So wangilisa ukuthi arrogant.
Yeah,
So
uyasitshela.
my njengoba ngiyazitshela.
Yeah, uyashela.
But okay ngiyazitshela vele.
Uyashela vele Chomam.
Kanjani? Okay, ngizitshela ngani?
Ngoba sesikujwayele.
Una confidence akasixelele.
Yeah, mara mocela ukumbona unale nto leyo ukuthi
Aura, mamacita. It's called aura, not arrogance. It's aura.
arrogant. Show me. It's
What
not
was the
aura. There's
situation
aura.
with
There's
everyone?
arrogance.
Yo, what's an
You
arrogant?
were arrogant.
No, I think it's being like confident. Like I am confident in myself. I don't mind. Like one thing about me, ne, I'm totally blunt and honest. I don't sharp. I can consider ukuthi lento izokuphatha kanjani ne. But at the same time, I feel like ngcono ukutshela iqiniso than ukuthi ngikambela manga. If into yapeta, I say a spade. A spade must be a spade.
I am
What's that?
confident, but I am able to speak to all of you guys.
Fuck all these.
Wena unabantu bakho.
Wait, to 10?
Yeah?
Fuck all this.
No, I'm just joking.
Oh, chita to you.
Wena unabantu bakho khuluma nabantu obaziyo.
Nah,
Umuntu
bro.
ongamazi umshongo bomb.
No, but ngizokugayisa ngisho ukuthi
No.
yeah, like I have this thing yokuthi mfethu angikwazi like angina point of
Like I'm not
conversation like ngizocala ngithini mfethu ngingakwazi.
Ukayithi igama lami uKhensane, igama lami.
So mina ngi-reach out.
Yes.
Why unga reach out mawungibona?
Why? I'm a girl.
Awungazi angikwazi.
Yeah, what the way you want to think it's the same way he thinks.
How mfethu?
No. First impression of you.
Mara mina
And then
ngi-cheat
the decision.
ekugcineni yo.
Yeah, vele Choma uyilo. Yeah.
Mara yazini,
Uyilo.
moving on. Mara moving on. Would you rather have your closest group chat messages leaked to the public or accidentally go live on Instagram for 10 minutes while you are sleeping?
While I'm sleeping, I'd rather go live. While I'm sleeping.
Okay, while you smashing. Yeah, thank you,
while I'm
Mahlati. While you smashing.
If I'm smashing, then dog.
Take the chat.
What I want.
Yeah, take the chat.
Leak them.
Mara niyazazi msukuthi kuma group chat ngiyasho gift. Uyambasha inhloko namhlanje.
I must book. Zonke
What's
from
the
10 years ago.
What's the craziest group DM oke wayibona washo oh shit this must ngayibona like mayingaphuma to the public oh shit like in the group chat.
I don't have a lot of group chats.
The thing is, I
so-
don't know. It's because it's mostly quick chat is usually just gossip. To be honest.
Yeah, what's the craziest gossip oke wayizwa? You can don't name drop if that's the case.
What's the craziest? Actually, I have like 3 group chats with my people. What's the craziest?
Ngishashalaza wena.
What's the craziest?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what's the craziest, but there's something that happened to me recently. Ne? I'm going a bit off topic, but not that off topic.
Okay.
I don't know what's the craziest, ne? But there's something that happened to me last year, December. So what happened was a friend of mine was having a party for Umtanake. So we all invited to the party, obviously, as the friends that are everything is nice. So while we're at the party, one of my friends has her phone on the counter. So I see the phone. I'm a message, there's pictures in the group. In another group, so each group corner is the child's name and then Span's party. Span's party. And I'm like, I'm not in this group. These girls had a separate group outside of me.
Oh,
Can you imagine?
so.
Can you imagine? That's the
Ungadingeki ke
craziest.
kuleya group
When
mos.
wadingeki kanjani? Because
Jombe bakhuluma ngawe.
I'm sure
The minute people have a group chat, right?
they have a group chat with just them. I'm not
Hayi,
sure the
bebakhuluma
craziest thing
ngawe,
happened in the
mngani
group
wami,
chat. But
Shamsul.
Leia Indaba, it was the craziest that happened to me regarding a group chat. They have a separate group chat outside of me. Yet we have our own group chat. Sisonke.
Fake friends. Get yourself new friends, girl.
It happened to
Okay.
you too. Yeah. Are we good?
Channel Podcast, episode 37, take 2.
Sorry guys, but like it's getting late, ne? And like, so we need to wrap it up. At least I don't know, maybe the light is
too bright.
making it a bit like better, ne? Even if it's bright. Bye Zazazel, but bye Zazazel, don't Zazazel. Yeah, man, we're wrapping it up.
Yes, gentlemen.
This is my signature.
Oh, that's what.
Mamela, I want to make Zaza, ne? Eba yung fire court, son.
Yeah, okay,
Eba yung
sure.
fire
So,
court.
pretty, tell me, do you still believe a simple thing as this best? Do you still believe in chivalry, whatever?
What's chivalry?
Opening the door for
That's
a lady.
Yeah, definitely.
How
Isn't-
far do you go?
Isn't that like being part of a gentleman?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, like I opened the door for my woman.
Besides,
Baby, don't do this. Let me do it for
So
you.
if there's a puddle on the floor, you take off your jacket and
I'm not crazy. I'm not
exactly.
Asichampe, babe.
Exactly. Sachampa kanjani
Or it's in champe, ngizobeka isipina.
Nkuke masis udlule wena ungena emanzini nkuke.
Usichampe siwe soyithu emanzini.
Yeah.
Asingadlali kanjalo. But then nah, like it's the little things that count. I understand ukuthi in a relationship, it's the little things that count, ne? So I am really big on those little things. Maybe you can name some because top of my mind I can't name them. But
when
like
I feel like unanchalete, yo.
Unanchalante Jomi. Unanchalante.
I feel like you're not a lover boy.
yo, you should see me with my woman.
Are you a lover boy?
Yo.
Okay, you could be like an question like 50-50, but Ustaf can never be a lover boy.
Gajat. No, you
Ustaf
guys
hates women.
understand
Ustaf
ukuthi
hates women.
understand ukuthi umchita is a
Does he?
different kind of being mara nomuntu amthandayo.
Why?
I think Ostaf hasn't met somebody that is like
That he can give like his own. Oh,
Now,
so-
come on,
he
relationship
got
are fun.
hurt before and
think
he's
so too.
afraid
I think so
of like
too.
opening up.
Yes, I think he got
I think
hurt.
that's the case.
Staff, we're here for you. This is
And
a safe
we love
space.
you, mngani wami. Best
Stuff.
Pumba.
The next
love
time
you
you're here,
so
we're gonna talk
much.
about your heartbreak. Catch us next time.
Yeah, probably be here maybe next week. Says in Fagon Plus, Mara, we're not sure because stuff has a lot going
Yeah,
on.
but we
like
talk about his
it's
heartbreak
good.
the
It's
next
a
time he's
good
here.
thing, guys. It's a good thing. Untwanu Grandi. It's just pushing something. Win for stuff. W's in the chat. W's.
Po, 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 po.
Sibonge. But then yeah, man. Anything you saw interesting before we wrap it up?
Limpopo boy para izothatha
Yeah, but we saw that. We spoke about that even last week.
Did we?
Bakhulume ngayo. Yini ekushokile lapha?
ukuthi bamxolele uke.
Oh shit.
Why is
yeah,
that shocking?
actually.
Why?
When wamxolela umuntu wakho
Wait.
ane same sex tape that went viral.
And she looked so happy.
Yeah,
and she
track
looked
and track.
so happy kuleyo video. She was happy.
Wait, you have to normalize sex tapes.
Wait, did he say that?
Dog, like no, that's fucked up. No,
Boring. Boring.
What does that mean?
So disappointed.
But like, yes, into bro, like
I think it was okay to forgive her after cheating. It happens. Never the day.
but then I feel like the girl
and
is
then you making it public now. Guti, I've forgiven her. Why?
I think my 2 cents of the matter, the girl is capitalizing on the viral thing because now uhleza post and changing
Yeah,
because I think like
Don't lie.
abantu like they comment indune ngaga SS ayivele like nami ngulimpopo
And
ya
then
smash.
again-
So now people be like yo yeah like ba comment nah, I think she's seeing an opportunity in that because
It's a
now
publicity
you
stunt,
understand
yes.
she's always posting
Yeah.
changing dunyake
Ukuthi
and these people apparently banomntwana together.
With her husband.
And she girl is a teacher. Kaloku sana.
Don't lie.
She is.
Apparently, the guy no Limpopo boy, they besties.
They're not besties, but they're in the same
The besties
circle.
ngocansi.
Nice.
Ngiyasende shayana la.
Boy and the husband.
Oh shit.
Yes,
Really?
Yes.
Yo, that's messed up.
It is.
Okay, like, are you still going to be friends with a person that does you like that?
No, why? Why would I do that?
Akimjile umnati fele.
Amajuda yayenza lento leyo.
I think they do that with like
Kumuntu
those are
onga like kumuntu ukuthi let's say
Ongamthandi.
like ona it depends. Let's say maybe
they are married, but
Askis, I'll make an example with you, ne?
Yeah.
Let's say me and Staff smash you. Okay. Are we okay? Okay.
Friends don't forget friends.
Let's say me and Staff smash you, ne?
Umbalekisa.
Okay.
Mehlo maskis. Chomi.
Wahamba pretty boy kwa vele gift. Hey, nothing that. Hey, mara, hey, at least angeke ngifane no Team Express. Ngeke wana lenga na specs. Mara, like for example, ne, let's say me and Staff smash you. It's going to depend, Guti. What was the situation the time Staff smash? Like, did I know Gutu Staff is smashing you or I didn't? It's going to be fucked up. Is let's say I knew Gutu Staff is smashing you and then I'm saying yes, I'm a smash.
Is it not a jealousy thing?
I think it's a thing of loyalty.
Limpopo boy beka jealous ukuthi awuchomi uthola umathiliso nonduno nkulu
And-
umathiliso yenzani abana prove point ukuthi
and
kawujela
they are a
mfana.
big deal because these people are married.
But then you know the one thing about cheating, when did it actually start?
They've been cheating. They've been together.
Because now mangibheke lo mntana lo ya. He looks more of Ulimpopo boy than the guy.
Ha!
Okay,
Chomi,
mara, that's my
opposites
own two cents,
attract.
allegedly. That's just me. allegedly.
Opposite attract though.
What is
Jole mntana lo omncane lo.
Chomi
Ah, le
ngithi
mntana lo,
ukhenzani
ufana noLimpopo boy
ukhenzani
le mntana le.
uyaphapha ukhenzani uthanda ukutshela ukhenzani uthanda excuse me. Ngihambe ngithola umuntu naye every weekend usekoneni sesehlangana baby Ariana what are you doing here?
And apparently vele ugirl kudala vele azwana
No.
noLimpopo boy, like they've been moving around. Mara mchita, didn't you? Mara, okay, what if
Ukumchita akekho mnandi.
What if umchita?
Akekho mnandi umjita.
Angazi. Limpopo boy
Akekho
yambona
mnandi.
iyamuva.
Yeah.
Wadlala sigogoza. Yo. Yo, davani shake ifika muna. Shake la. But then mara, what if unto umchita bambambe ngalento ukuthi now you've once cheated on me?
Because there's a video where umathiliso amtshela ukuthi iriso
Kancane bafethu.
iri rowdy
Siyaqeda manje,
on the subkarabo kube sekayamameza. Because there's a video where ugirl ayenza ugaya xolise ukuthi ya iriso because
shit,
wena
yabo.
ungicheated
Yeah,
and then
I
after
understand.
that there's a video of the girl with the guy uLimpopo boy. So what if it's that case? But
Like
nakhona I feel like
sharp square root 1-1.
yeah.
But she did a number on him by fetching the friend. Could have fetched the stranger. Hey,
Athi uLimpopo
No,
boy.
kohle imike ne fanekisona, but yeah, yo, that's crazy, yo.
it is. She fetched the friend.
And then nakhona okay sharp guys what if uhusband unompips omncane ke nakho uLimpopo boy
Mara yazi,
sekayavela manje
enough about dicks, bro. Hey, kunini sikhuluma
why are you
ngama-
being awkward?
Ay. Joe, like, what did you see that's interesting during the week? You wanna ufuna comment? But ufuni people cool oloqinile.
Eish
If you cool and clean against
If you cool and alqini, what happens?
is
Maybe best.
Maybe it's and then just talk.
ngifuna ukumbheka kalokho ngifuna
Hayi khuluma uyakubona. Yena uyakubona, that's the main point.
guys
Bathi ufuna elikhulu or eliqinile, umbuzo usamile.
ipipe elikhulu likho mnandi
Hayibo. Okay. I don't know.
khona
Mara
ukuperform
guys kunisikhuluma ngayo.
hayi makavele kulini
Hey,
bese
let's
kukhenzani
move on.
njalo mekalana nje amapipi aka
Mara, hey, what did you see during the week that's interesting? Oh, this month nje.
What month is it? We are in the month of August.
Yeah.
Shit, I see interesting things all the time.
I don't know, but this-
scroll, I can't think of
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
specific because I'm always on TikTok, Facebook, all of that.
Yeah.
There's always something interesting. What did I see this month, man? Shit, I don't
Show me
know.
what did you see?
Okay,
We saw that Kenzano's birthday is next week Monday.
shout out. Next Monday. Wait, kusasa.
Next week, no.
Oh, the other week. Okay, cool. That's
And
nice.
siya host ka F505 Mufulo Street kuzabe kudlala uPretty Boy G no Bobay. Bobay no Spina.
Buka without my knowledge. One plus Mara. With that being said, so you see that.
Yeah.
Sabe really that. Yeah, Mara, yo, shout out. Okay. I have like last I can say 3 ne. Mara before nzo kuluma ukuthi what I saw during the week. I saw actually 3 things ne that are interesting. I want us to review. Did you guys watch Umthetho?
Yeah.
The Netflix series.
I'm watching it now.
Ile yakalo
quite nice.
osejel.
Yeah.
I
but
read the
Jimmy saw the
book.
whole thing.
Yes, I read the book.
There's a
It
book?
was
Interesting.
Yes,
Go watch it, guys.
Beauty
It's quite-
Beyond the Orange Uniform. That's the book.
It's quite
The
interesting.
title of the name.
Oh shit, I've seen
Of
that
the
book.
name
I
of
think
the
we
book.
want to marry love. I've seen that
I've
book.
never.
You've
oh,
never
yes,
sent
I
it to me.
did.
You have
Yes,
sent it to me. I haven't read it.
Read it.
It's quite nice. It's quite nice. I won't lie. Like the whole Netflix the series. It's really nice production. Yeah, no, I haven't read the book. I'm not
So
much
yeah,
of a reader.
Python uzohamba aye jail.
Spoiler abantu. But then
Beauty Beyond the Orange Uniform. Like, where's the beauty? Okay, you haven't seen it.
the beauty is the fact ukuthi the girl uphumile. I don't know. I think
The
uphumile-
guy.
No, my man. The girl uphumile jail, but he's still with the guy, and they have a kid together, and he's still helping the guy to escape jail and stuff like that.
And
But
then
then
uzoba
a lot
umfundisi.
happened. But no, I don't want to spoil it. But then
Did you finish it?
the series.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Uzobamfundisi
I'd rate it a solid 8 out of 10.
Uzoba
Why
mfundisi la?
spoil?
Just go watch, Drew. But then another thing engibonile, ngizogcina ngesigaxa ne. Thoughts about women who play Betway.
Do we need to have
Mali.
thoughts?
But like I find it like,
The economy yamanje
I find
Yeah,
it
so do we need to have
I
thoughts?
find it cringe, Joe.
Why?
Joe, try something else. Betway now manje suthi
Something else
awungisendele
like
bed
what?
sleep.
ngicela ungithengele uvoucher.
Cabanga.
Phili,
Ufuna ukubheja.
Phili, ngicela i-favor mngani wami. Khambani ngicela
Hayi,
ukuthi
red flag.
ngicela ungisendele i-blue voucher.
I see nothing wrong, bro. And then when she makes
Mara.
share nawe, what the hell? Ufuna thina hamba ayodlala idice.
Mfethu so share imalini ngokuqala iyakushaya Betway udliwa ka15 ngaleyo 1 rand uyina win 200
Dlala
200 is not even a
leyebhola,
fraction of le mali
To be
oyiluzile.
honest, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not sure why this is even a topic.
You betting when
I'm bitchy, but why are we judging people who do it?
I'm not judging anyone. I'm just saying for me it's
Chomi,
cringe.
economy kasirili yabhela. Do
This is like not even worth talking about.
ungayenzi le
Ungisendele bed
yama-game.
sleep namhlanje.
I'm bitchy. I don't even know how to do bed way.
Mara ungayenzi le yama-game yenza le yebhola. That's better.
But okay, the last one and then we wrap it up. Ne? I think
I used to do all
we
of
over a minute 10 now. Ne, the last one ngiyazi ukuthi le maybe izonenza ukuthi nibe nama opinion.
Rowdy
We're closing it.
Rowdy.
Ishashalaza lena ne. I saw the internet, for me man it's internet ngithi Twitter ne. They were dragging Ubuntle no Robert Boy.
The internet?
Nah, it's fine. We can still continue. Yeah, they will do the whole shebang. But Ubuntle and Robert Boy are getting dragged because they are always seen with each other. While pretty ugly is at home, but he
That's been a thing
Yeah.
for the longest time, eh?
Is it true? It's about open relationship or marriage? Open marriage,
I don't
actually.
know. But the,
Angibalandeleli.
You've heard that, ne? Yeah. Open
but
marriage.
the whole thing with Ubuntu and Robert Boy has been going on for maybe 2 years now, I'd say. Okay, not going on, but like the rumor, man.
But they're happy.
Yeah, if I'm happy, but I want to talk about Robert Boy and Ubuntu. It's been a talk of the town for some time. 2 years,
Yeah,
3
they're getting
years.
dragged, yo. Because like, and then now recently I saw Pretty Ugly release like a footage.
Rowdy.
Rockets. But then I saw Pretty Ugly yabo uqalile Vandal. Also vele camera batshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthini.
Ali Boy Express. Ali Boy.
but then uyamchaza
Vele camera ngizofika imadlana.
hey ndoda ngathi imadlanga ndata sashuta. But then I saw recently Pretty Ugly released like a footage whereby bekadlala nomntana akamfundisa like boxing. But the kid is getting ready. He's teaching the kid to box into
Robot boy.
Sis,
Wait,
sis, melabulala lo mfazi.
Now we don't promote violence.
We don't promote violence.
Utsho njalo.
Duvula mabele.
Wena ucabanga njalo every day.
Sis, sokushisa wena. Sokushisa.
Wena.
Wena.
Okay, but like again, guys, we here. But then, what do you guys think of that situation? Then we wrap it up.
The open relationship or
The open marriage thingy. If let's say it's a thing.
if it works for them, good on them. If you ever sebenzela, good on them.
I'm a celebrity. They meet different people every day. So, mhlambe bafuna experiment.
And honestly, if you ever sebenzela, good on them. I can't say people must do this in their own marriage. People must not do that. It's their marriage. I don't know. And I don't want to say I wouldn't do it because hey, you never know in life. I prefer not to do it, but you never know when.
Mara makufika isikhathi sokuthi uyenze mfana and baby namhlanje ngiyahamba ngiyodlala Back to the City wena uyahamba uyalapha ekhoneni wena mohambe nomuntu uhambile mina ngahamba nomuntu uzwap mara
Ansabukula.
I get it. That's why I'm saying I would. It's not my preference, but you never know.
We are using a condom.
No, I'm joking,
Open
guys.
marriage.
We are using condom when.
Chomi, I don't have sex.
Okay. With that being said, guys. With that being said, from your boy, Pretty Boy Chi.
Shout out.
From the missus.
From the boys, the face.
That was a cool. From the missus. Siva. From the missus.
_ Kenzie.
You guys have been
It's a fucking wrap.
Bye.
Production site.